Okay, hello. This is Erica Brody from Best Buddies in Washington, and I am going to walk you through how to join the Zoom call that we're going to use for our virtual hang-in sessions that are going to be every Tuesday night from 6 o'clock to 7:30 p.m. Pacific time here in Washington. So this is just a guide that I'm going to walk you through for how to join Zoom for the virtual hang-ins. So this says, thank you for joining us for our Best Buddies virtual hang-in opportunities. Physical distance doesn't mean we can't stay connected. We look forward to hanging in with you by video or conference call and using this time to connect, build friendship, and stay connected. So there are three ways that you can join the hangout or the hang-in. You can join on your computer, you can join on your phone using both video and audio, or you can join on your phone using audio only. So we're going to go through all three of those options. So the first option is joining by computer. So if you're joining by computer, you'll first want to start by opening an internet browser. So Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, etc., whatever you have on your computer. And then you want to type or copy and paste this address, which is our specific Zoom meeting ID. But you can also just go to zoom.us and then it will ask you to enter a meeting ID, and you can enter our meeting ID, which is 803-609-099. So you enter this into the browser search bar and you click enter. So the next step depends on whether you have or have not used Zoom before. If you have not used Zoom before, so it's not on your computer already, you'll go to step number 2. And I'll walk you through the steps to get Zoom on your computer. If you have used Zoom before, you can ignore steps 2 through 4 and just go straight to step 5. But I will be walking through all of the steps right now. So step number 2, your computer, once you enter that Zoom link into your browser, will automatically, and click enter, your computer will automatically download a Zoom meeting file. So when I downloaded it on my computer, which here's a screenshot, it downloaded in the bottom left corner, and this is typically where my internet downloads will show up. So you'll want to go to wherever you typically find your internet downloads and you open the download once it has started downloading. So then once you open that, you'll see a screen pop up that says right here, your meeting will begin soon. So you want to wait for that screen to finish processing, and it has a little bar here that tells you the percentage of how much it has processed. So as soon as that's done processing, you will be prompted to enter your name. So enter your name as you would like for it to appear in the Zoom meeting, and then click join meeting. So right here, you'll want to enter your name. So I would probably enter Erica Brody because I want people to know that it's me joining the meeting. And then you click join meeting. Okay, so you take all those steps if you have not used Zoom before. If you have used Zoom before, then you will see, once you enter the link into your browser, you'll see a screen that says open Zoom, and you want to click on the open Zoom button, and that will open the Zoom app on your computer so that you'll be directly joining the call. Okay, so once you've done that, for either if you have had used Zoom before, or if you haven't, you have now joined the meeting, and you can choose your preference for audio. So you can join audio in 2 ways. The first way is using computer audio, and the audio box that comes up will automatically default to be on the computer audio choice. So if you join computer audio, it will allow you to use the microphone and speakers on your computer for audio. If this is the option you'd like to choose, you can test your microphone and speakers by selecting the option right underneath this blue button. There's some text that says test speakers and microphone. So you can click on that and it will allow you to test your speakers and microphone before you join the meeting just to make sure they work. So once you're ready, if you want to join using your computer, microphone, and speakers, you can select Join with Computer Audio. And that's this blue button right here, Join with Computer Audio. If you maybe, let's say your microphone on your computer isn't working or you're not sure if it's working, you can also join by telephone. And what this will do is it will allow you to have the video on your computer, but you would just hear audio and participate through audio on your telephone. So if you want to use this option, right where the audio selection box shows up, the telephone option is to the left. So you would click the telephone option. And to join by phone, you choose the phone call option. So that's this option right here. On the screen, you'll see several phone numbers in the dial section. You can choose any of these numbers to dial. Any of them will work. I usually just choose the one that's right at the top. So you dial that phone number. Once you've dialed that phone number, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID on your phone keypad. So you would enter 803-609-099. And then you'll be prompted to enter your participant ID. And so what entering your participant ID does, it's this 2-digit number that's right here at the bottom, right under where it tells you the meeting ID. And that participant ID is unique to you. And whatever it says on the screen is what you'll enter into your phone, because that will connect your phone to your computer presence in the meeting. So then you would enter your participant ID, which is this number right here, and then click done, and your phone should connect to the meeting so you can hear audio and participate by audio. So those are all the steps for joining by computer. You can also join by phone. And there are 2 ways to join by phone. The first is if you want to join video and audio on your phone, and we'll go through that option first. The second option is audio only, and we'll go through that option last. So this first option, to join both video and audio on your phone rather than the computer, the first step is to download the free Zoom app. So I've included instructions below for how to download the app and then join the meeting. So for step 1, you go to your app store. I have my screenshots here show the Apple App Store, the iPhone App Store, but it works the same for Android. So if you have an Android, you would just go to where you download apps and download the Zoom app. So you search for Zoom, and then you click Get and download the app to your phone. So once the app is finished downloading, open the app, and the first screen that you should see is this welcome screen. It has this little circle with little people and computers and phones. So what you'll do is you'll select down here the bottom blue button that says Join a Meeting. So then you'll get this screen, and right up here at the top, it will say Meeting ID. So here's where you enter our meeting ID, which is 803-609-099. In the screen name section, enter your name as you would like for it to appear in the Zoom meeting. So that's this section right here. It'll ask you to enter your screen name, and here's where I would put Erica Brody, because that's the name that I want to show for joining the meeting. And then you click this blue button here that says Join. You won't be able to click the Join button until you have entered your meeting ID and your screen name. So the next step is that you will be prompted to enter a password for the meeting. So our password for our meeting is 035694. So you'll enter 035694 right here, and then click Continue. And then you'll be able to choose whether you call using internet audio or dial-in. For optimal audio and video experience for using your phone to connect, with video and audio, you'll want to call using internet audio. So you'll choose the call using internet audio option, and you just know that if choosing this option and using your phone for video and audio means that you'll be using either your Wi-Fi at home or your data if you're not on Wi-Fi. Okay, so once you choose your audio option, which is to use internet audio, you're in the meeting and you can participate by video and audio. So right here, you'll see people's videos show up as they're speaking. Okay, so the last option is to join by phone with audio only. So if you're going to do this, you can use your phone keypad and you just dial 669-900-6833. You will hear a woman's voice say, "Welcome to Zoom. Enter your meeting ID followed by the pound sign." So then you'll enter the meeting ID followed by the pound sign, which is 803-609-099 pound. Then you'll hear the same woman's voice say, "Enter your participant ID followed by the pound sign. Otherwise, just press pound to continue." So in this case, you don't have a participant ID because you don't have a video presence that you want to connect with your phone presence. So you don't have a participant ID, so just press the pound sign one more time, this pound sign. And then you will be in the meeting and you can participate by audio. You won't be able to see anything that's being shared by video, but that's okay. You can still hear what folks are saying and talk, and we'll be able to hear you on audio. So those are the steps for joining the Zoom meeting. If you have any questions or issues, you can feel free to contact me. My email address is Erica Brody, ERICABRODY @bestbuddies.org, or you can give me a call at 281-731-8617. And I look forward to seeing you on the Zoom call. Thanks.